Hi, hello, namaste. Welcome to Indian Chef Recipe. Today we are going to learn how to make Thakkali Sadam. Before we start Thakkali Sadam recipe, if you have not subscribed our channel, please do subscribe to watch our latest videos. Now coming back to Thakkali Sadam recipe. Let's watch the ingredients to make Thakkali Sadam. 5 to 6 tomatoes finely chopped, 2 onions finely chopped, 1 tablespoon of red chilli powder, urad dal 1 tablespoon, oil 4 to 5 tablespoons, 2 green chillies, coriander powder 1 tablespoon, Asafoetida a pinch, cumin seeds, mustard seeds and fenugreek seeds for tempering, dry red chillies 3, 1 string of curry leaves, chana dal 1 tablespoon, salt to taste, boiled rice, or you can also take leftover rice. Now let's see the process of making Thakkali Sadam. First, put on your stove, take a kadhai, add oil. When our oil is enough hot, add cumin seeds, mustard seeds and fenugreek seeds, onions, curry leaves, dry red chillies, Asafoetida, urad dal, chana dal, green chillies. Saute your onions. Here I have sauteed my onions. Now add tomatoes, coriander powder, red chilli powder, salt and mix all together. Close the lid and saute your tomatoes. After 5 to 10 minutes, open the lid. You can see here, tomatoes are soft. Give a continuous stir and then add boiled rice, mix everything with rice. Mix it perfectly and close the lid for 5 minutes. At this moment, just switch off the flame and serve hot. So this was our today's recipe, Thakkali Sadam. Hope you all guys enjoyed by watching our recipe. Please do like, share and subscribe our videos. Bye.